try this fried rice I made. So good. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp fried rice. Very easy. It takes about 15 minutes altogether to make the shrimp fried rice. Actually, you could substitute the shrimp with any kind of meat you like. If you like chicken, you like pork, or you like ham or sausage, you can always use those, but just make sure you pre-cook them. Of course, if you use ham, do not use the smoked ham. You might want to buy boiled ham. And of course, you know, the best meat to put in there is the Chinese sausage. That is a really good fried rice. But anyway, if you want to mix and match, put several kind of meat, that will be your special fried rice. Then you go to the Chinese restaurant and eat. The basic recipe is the same. So just follow these steps and you're gonna have the most delicious and easy fried rice you're ever gonna make and have. So ingredients for Chinese shrimp fried rice are 2 eggs that will be scrambled, half of a medium-sized yellow onion, or if you prefer shallots, which I like, but I just don't have any shallots. And of course, about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. And you have this is about 4 cups or so of leftover Jasmin rice. A day or 2 day old leftover rice will be the best. Of course, I have half a pound of shrimp, and this is about the 30 count to a pound shrimp. And of course, I have my soy sauce. I use dark soy sauce, so this is about 3 tablespoons. And your frozen sweet peas, okay? You need to use the frozen. You cannot use the can because it will be mushy. Now, some people like to use frozen mixed vegetable. That's great too. You can use that, but I like frozen peas. And of course, your green onion. And of course, the main thing is your oyster sauce, okay? And I would use about a tablespoon or so of that. And whatever brand you get, it's totally fine. A little grapeseed oil just to fry our egg first. You can put a little salt if you like on this scrambled egg. And I'm just basically, because you want the egg to be all separated anyway. Scoop it over. Now we're gonna put some oil, just about a tablespoon. We're gonna cook the shrimp. Okay, and now we're gonna do that. And when you cook, Chinese cooking, you have to use high heat. Okay? It's gonna take long to cook the shrimp. It's about what, 2 minutes? Okay, so turn pink. So this is about half a pound. You can use more or less, depending. In the restaurant, they don't put this much shrimp on your fried rice. Scoop it up again. Gonna put some, about 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil. On with your onion. Smells good. And garlic. Sometimes I like to put extra garlic. You can. If you like garlic, put a little extra. Why not? Then we're gonna put your rice. Okay, because now of course we separated all the rice. Fry the rice for a minute or two. Mix it up. So see, the rice is not sticky, especially if you cook it a day ahead. So if you plan to make fried rice, just make extra rice the day before. Okay. Now, looks like it's all incorporated. I'm gonna put the dark soy sauce in. Depending how dark you want your soy sauce, you can put more or less, depending how dark you want your rice, I mean. Okay, some people don't like dark rice, then you don't have to put soy sauce. Just put salt. Okay. I'll put about a tablespoon of the oyster sauce. There you go. The oyster sauce gives it a good flavor. I usually cook the rice like this first, and once all the dark soy sauce and the oyster sauce are all incorporated, that's when I put my shrimp back in. There you go. And so you just keep stirring. Smells good. Okay, there you go. This is about probably 4 good sized entree. Of course, side dish, you can do that too. Serve it with your favorite Chinese dish. Your frozen peas. Or your mixed vegetable. And your frozen peas will cook as you stir the rice. You could put more peas if you like. Got nice extra color. And last but not least, your scrambled eggs. See, you put your scrambled egg last so it retains its nice yellow color, so it doesn't, become dark. And this is basically done. So this is about 10 minutes. Not counting the prep time. Prep time is probably what? Less than 5 minutes. Easy fried rice. All right. Serving. See how beautiful that fried rice is? Ooh. So now, your green onion. Of course, green onion is optional. Okay, so I just put half of the green onion I have. Smells good. I'm ready to eat. So let's try this fried rice I made. So good. I don't cook with a lot of salt, so you might need to put a little extra salt if you do like them, or you can put extra regular soy sauce. Dark soy sauce tend to be just darker, but does not have a lot of salt. So if you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend. Comment down below as to, do you like this fried rice? What other things you put in your fried rice? And This channel is about food, fun, adventure, travel, and financial matter. So, subscribe to East West Picayune, click the bell button up there so you can get notified of our future videos. Until then, keep smiling. Bye!